Here in Danville, want to give an update on where we're at on the American made and the custom made product line that we're offering. So this is my third trip down here in the last 3 months or so once a month coming in, but constantly looking at the little improvements. We have a lot of things going on right now. And one thing I wanted to tout real quickly was the custom PVD coating. This has really started to take off, especially some of the nicer properties that you're working with and they want something different. Most of our fixtures are hidden, but the IN27 with the custom PVD coating, this is in a polished bronze. You could do the regular dark bronze, which is standard that we have in inventory, but there's a lot of different options out there. So, check with anybody in Sterling if you have any questions on a custom coating you'd like to have, but this has been really popular and taking off and something that's currently really been an exciting thing. The other thing that is really close, we've got this in beta right now, which is the It Just Works timer. So I've got a number of designers that have been testing this for us, including my company. So this plugs into your transformer. This is made in Ohio. The top part's made in Canada. And this allows you to sync up to a GPS. It gives you your sunrise, your sunset. You pick your off time, midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. There's about 6 different settings on it. So for basic lighting control, which is the #1 service issue that we deal with in lighting, is the lights coming on and off properly, this is something that just works. It's finalizing ETL right now. As soon as that's done, this will be released into the wild. So this is going to help you on your normal job where they just want the lights to go on and off at times. So made in America, much better quality, and we're really excited about that. The next product, and here's the board for it. So that's the electronics that we designed into it. So a little different adventure for us. The AM11, these currently have 1,000 made right now, so they're all perfectly done, ready to go. We're doing the final coating, so we're taking a little bit more time on the undercoating. These are all going to get a PVD finish. This will be a great addition into your repertoire for lighting, but to have something that's made here locally, this will come in the standard form, and then once we finalize the new electronics, you're going to get the options of 70 lumens all the way up to about 500 lumens on this. But that PVD finish is just going to give you an extremely long finish. So as I said, 1,000 of these are already made. Electronics are finishing up, and it's the coating process we're working with. The rest of these lights are really just waiting on the electronics. So whether it's the solid brass well light, these are all finished, ready to go, just waiting for the driver to punch in. Our larger uplight, same thing. It's waiting for the electronics. We're doing the heat testing. We would rather go slower as we have to make sure we get it right than release it. So it's in final testing, just waiting on that. That's 3 different product lines we have with that. And then we spent all day yesterday, the day before, meeting with our engineers, talking about product modifications for our standard uplight, our wall wash light, and a number of products. So you're going to see a lot of things coming out this year for the Danville AM series line. We're so excited about this. I think it's going to revolutionize lighting, not only in light quality, light control, upgraded optics, premium materials, and finishes that give you that 20 to 30 year lifespan. So, this is one thing that we want to do right, and we're taking our time. But there's about 5 or 6 products now that are so close to coming out. Each one just needs a little different item, but we're releasing a lot of products, and so stay tuned this spring because you're going to see these all start coming into the wild and coming into the market, and we can't wait to really see the next level of lighting come in with Sterling Lighting.